Hi guys, it's me again. Now, if you were to go up to your friends or family or coworkers and ask them, does butter actually help you lose weight? They're going to say absolutely not. It's going to help you gain weight. But I want to show you some data that's quite interesting. Butter contains something called butyric acid. Butyric acid actually has the capacity to improve and reduce insulin resistance, okay? So insulin resistance is what's really behind stubborn weight. And insulin resistance is a state where you have high levels of insulin. So anything that can lower insulin resistance or improve it will help you lose weight, okay? Of course, if you're consuming butter with a typical American diet, you're not going to lose any weight simply because, yeah, you're going to improve insulin resistance, but you're also going to worsen it by all the carbs that you're consuming and the high amounts of protein. So you want to consume the ketogenic diet, okay? Keep your carbs low. You want to do intermittent fasting, and you don't want to be afraid to use butter, because butter can help you, especially if you're doing intermittent fasting and you're consuming it as a part of your fat. And two more points I want to mention is that this acid helps reduce inflammation and supports your cells of your colon. So you don't have to be afraid to consume butter. Just make sure it's grass-fed butter. Hi guys, listen, I want to thank you so much for your wonderful comments. And I want to ask you if you wouldn't mind giving me your review on Google. I put a link down below. I'd really appreciate it. And thank you in advance.